girly, if you have brown eyes like me and love the color blue, here's a color combo for you. Don't forget to save for your next night out. Using the Daniel Renee and Allura Cosmetics palette. Yes, get personal. Using the P. Louise colored base to map out my eye. Baja Panty for the eyebrow bow. Dipping into Serenity Mama. Let's do it. Using a clean brush to blend it all out. This is one color blended out. Evil Heart for that draw. Adding I'm a Girl on the lid. Wow. Because it is trash day, we're gonna add a little bit of glitter. Look at how pretty that looks. Doing a simple line. I don't know if I'm gonna do a wing liner tonight. And do the same to the other eye. I'm gonna finish my face and come back to finish my eyes so I can show you the final look, okay? So now that my face is done, we're gonna go back in with the exact same colors to smoke out the bottom waterline. Starting with Serenity and Evil Heart. Using the Essence Waterproof Pencil to open up the eyes. And this is the final look, guys. Let me know in the comments if you like this look or if you're gonna try it out.